a southern boy.
Huh?
Talk like a southern guy. Just like.
Excuse me?
No, a southern.
Excuse me?
Not fucking gross.
What?
A southern guy.
Southern guy? Howdy, partner.
Yeah,
Howdy, partner.
Yeah, that was good. What are you saying, brother? Just left the gym?
I just finished my work, brother.
Finish your workout?
I just finished my workout, bro. I just finished my workout, brother.
That's good, man.
No, that's not. That was bad.
That's good, man.
Yeah.
That's good. That's darn good, man. That's darn good.
Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
Oh.
Your sister's calling for help.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
Your sister just got in trouble. I get dizzy again.
What do you want me to say? Just it.
Oh, so you say you go to the grocery store?
I was going to the grocery store.
No, you didn't do it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
I can't do it.
What? Yeah, say it.
I'm about to go to the supermarket. I get some lamb, pork chops. Get some butter.
Oh fuck. I'm gonna get some Oreo. I'm gonna get some Oreo cookies. We can get some Oreo cookies.
You want some Milo?
Oh shit, dude. You want some cookies and cream? Want some cookies and cream?
I'll go get it. How do you say it? I'll get you some milk also.
You want some ice cream, darling? Dude, I can't do it, bro. It's so hard. Dude, I know how people like. There's no way that shit's like natural, bro. There just has to be like forcing that shit.
I love it. Like when it's natural, it just sounds so much better.
Huh?
Especially when the kids speak like that.
The kids?
Yeah, like a little boy or a little girl. Daddy, where are we going?
Where are we going, Daddy?
I'm going to the store, Daddy.
Dude, it's so hard to be depressed if people like talk like that, like next, like in front of you, bro. Like I feel like I'd just be happy all the time.
What? For a southern guy?
Yeah, if, like a southern guy, like
Oh man.
if you're in like a southern community or some shit.
Say it. My old man just got hit by a tow truck.
Let's go to church this Sunday, darling.
My old man just got hit by a tow truck and he lost his leg.
Turn on the radio, darling. Turn on the radio, darling.
This is my song.
It's my favorite song. It's my favorite song, darling.
Back in high school.
It's my favorite song, darling.
I applaud the freaking those actors and actresses that can speak the multiple.
Dude, I don't know how people do it, bro. I don't know how these people do it.
Even like the British actors that speak English, like American accent.
Can they do the fucking southern accent?
Yeah, they can.
Like as British people?
Yeah,
There's
they
no
can.
way.
I know. You know, Amelia Clark. She can do it.
She can do it?
Easy.
Really?
I watched her interview. She did it so easy.
That's hot.
I know.
Let's go to the rodeo, darling.
You wanna go for a road trip?
Let's go for a road trip, darling.
We'll go get some ice cream on the way.
Get some Mac? Let's get some Mac, dog.
Now speak like a surfer, dude.
Hey, dude.
Yo, dude. Yo,
that's where we're at, bro.
Whoa,
dude. Surf's up.
Yo, are you gonna eat that? Can I have some of your fries?
Dude, I fucking love southern. a southern woman. That'd be hot as fuck, though.
Honey, you want some more tea? Honey, want some more apple pie? Want some hot chocolate with your cookies?